In this video, we will talk about how to subtract rational numbers, specifically fractions, with like and unlike denominators. The first one we're going to talk about is like denominators. With like denominators, we're first going to change any mixed numbers to improper fractions. So this first mixed number, -1 1/2, I'm going to multiply 2 and 1, and then add 1 to it. I know 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3, so -3/2. And then the second fraction is already a normal fraction, so I'm going to keep it like that. My second step says keep, change. So I'm going to add the opposite since this is a subtracting problem. So I'm going to keep -3/2, change subtraction to addition, and change 1/2 to -1/2. The last step is I'm going to either same signs add or different signs find the difference. These are both same signs, so I'm going to add them. And again, remember, we're only adding the top number and keeping the common denominator. So -3 plus -1 is -4, and I'm going to keep the 2. Once I get here, I'm going to simplify my result. -4/2 is an improper fraction, so I'm going to figure out how many times will 2 go into 4. That'll be 2 times with no leftover or no remainder. So my answer is just -2 for this one.